Hey guys, welcome back. Want to have a look at how I made this pretty cool bike rack? Stick around. So unfortunately I can't show you exactly how I put it together because it's already together, but I thought it'd be interesting for a few people if I kind of showed what I did here. Had a problem when we had all our kids with all our bikes, having a place to store it in your garage. So I tried to figure out a way to try and get these things up and out of the air. I had all kinds of other bike racks on the sides of the wall, but really they're always a pain in the butt, no real room for it. But I have really high ceilings in this garage. So I thought if I could utilize that space up top, it'd be more advantageous anyways. So one thing I did was, I'll just show you how I put this thing together. These are just normal barn door rail racks that I put on. It's secures at the top there. I didn't have a lot of money at the time, so I made this whole thing out of wood. It's lasted for, I don't know, almost 15 years, so I don't really see a problem with that. The cables go up into the rafters up top, and in the rafters up top there is a 2x4 that goes between multiple trusses, and then a bolt goes up, as you can see the eye hook there. So I have two cables that come down and grab onto the pulley system on the inside, gets pulled up, comes down across to another pulley that's attached again through the rafters and to the trusses up top. And again, this one goes through the ceiling up into the rafters and attached to a 2x4 that's between two trusses, comes down and then attaches to the cable hoist that I can just operate from down here. And then from here I can just simply push the button. So there you have it, guys. Nothing too exciting, but I thought some people would be interested on how to get some kind of a storage in their garage for their bike like that. So if you got any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.